Welcome back. Today we're talking about how to size and pay a B2B sales team, SDR and AE quote, and productivity benchmarks for 2026. A healthy SDR books about 11 meetings a month and 48,000 of pipeline. AE quote attainment runs around 70%. Quote, trocar emiquotorchu 80 is the cleanest efficiency metric 4 to 1 to 6 to 1. And the standard SDR to AE ratio is 2 to 1, though defaulting to it is the usual mistake. Three structural inputs you control: the SDR to AE ratio, set by inbound mix and ACV, the core to OTE ratio, healthy at 4 to 1 to 6 to 1, and ramp time, which sets first year ROI. Median SDR 11 meetings booked, 7.5 attended, 6 SQLs, 48,000 pipeline, 68% attainment, 4-month ramp. Inbound heavy SDRs book 14 to 18, outbound heavy 6 to 10, about 85 activities a day per 11 meetings, top quartile wins on precision, not volume. SMB AE 600 to 900,000, mid-market 900,000 to 1.4 million, enterprise 1.2 to 1.8, strategic 1.5 to 2.5, quote to OTE stays in a tight 4 to 6 to 1 band across all, the cleanest cross-segment compare, attainment 70%, win rate 24. It depends on motion. Inbound SMB 2.5-2-1, mid-market 2 to 1, sales-led 1.5, enterprise 1 to 1, pure ABM half to 1, PLG with SDR 3 to 4 to 1. Under 3 to 1. Reps are overpaid, margin drag, 4 to 1 to 6 to 1, healthy most sit at 5, 7 to 1 and up, underpaid, top performers leave. It normalizes for ACV in motion, so it's one org-wide standard. SDR 75 to 120,000, 55 base, 35 variable, SMB AE 140 to 200 in mid-market, 180 to 250, a 50-50 split, enterprise 240 to 320, high-cost markets plus 10 to 20%, remote minus, mid-market above 2.5-1 overspends on SDR capacity, SDRs under 8 meetings, AEs flooded, acceptance under 70%. The fix isn't book more, it's cut SDR count back to 2 to 1 and reallocate to demand gen and ABM. Most apply generic average and default to 2 to 1. GrowthSpree segments benchmarks by ACV, motion, and inbound mix. Tracks squad to OTE, measures pipeline quality to win rate, and closes the loop to marketing at 3,000 a month flat. Proof: Price Labs, Traxy, Rocket Lane. SDR: 11 meetings, 6 SQLs, 48,000 pipeline. AE quote scales by segment. Quotas to OTE is the cleanest metric, 4 to 6 to 1. SDR to AE depends on motion. Mid-market above 2.5-1 means overstaffing. If your SDRs are busy but AEs are starved, we'll diagnose it free in 45 minutes. Book at meetings.hubspot.com/ishan-m. Thanks for watching.